What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Sarah.
It's your boy Tuxx.
Today we are doing a seafood boil. Okay, we kind of cheated with like our fish fry and our scallop fried, the French fries over here. Tuxx actually made we had pasta last night with prawns, and he wanted to make it again today but with mussels, and I'm so excited for that because last night it was like the bomb. Hey guys, so we're gonna jump into prayer, and I'm gonna ask my husband to lead us into prayer.
Alright, thank you, Lord Jesus, for this food. I pray that you continue to bless all these local businesses. Pray that you bless the TNS family and our sister here that is supporting us. In your name we pray, amen, Jesus.
Amen. Okay, we're gonna dig in. Okay, so we went on Insta and we asked our TNS family on Insta for some questions. I'm going to go in first with the fish. Now, look at that fish.
Nice.
We have prawns over here. We've also got crabs. We have a mussel over here, which is raw. I don't really eat raw mussels, but I will try today. We have scallop, fish, fries, pasta with mussels. Gosh, I don't know what to eat. I'm just like too excited for everything. Okay, I'm going in with the prawn, guys. Yeah, I don't really eat the head.
This is an Australian mussel, not the New Zealand green lips.
And this is the Australian king prawn. Is that king prawn? I could be lying. Not king prawn, it's something else. It's not a king prawn, I'm fiopoko.
Forgot what our mate said. I terrorized that one.
I ripped this one. Chris, how's your food? Good.
Nice.
We try to beg this girl to jump on camera with us and she doesn't want to. You want a prawn? I literally love prawn. My favorite seafood would have to be prawn and scallop. What's your favorite seafood?
I think maybe oyster. But I hate kina. Kui.
I love kui. Not canned. Does that make sense? I like it raw from the ocean. It's so good. My dad, when we were younger, we used to go whamuka. And I would go whamuka with my dad because, like, I don't know, my dad just thought I was really good at holding the bag and, like, looking for bawas. Bawas, abalone.
Well,
and then we stopped because me and my dad were out in Williamstown and he saw a shark.
Oh, what? Actual?
Yeah. And then my dad was like, oh yeah, I'm not going, he can't take me anymore. Oh, these prawns are so good.
This actually turned out pretty well. I was a bit scared because I don't really cook seafood.
And I don't cook at all. But each to their own. And what did you say last night?
Stick to your strengths. But she can try.
I do try. No, I don't. I'm lying.
Nah. When she does try, she exceeds my expectation.
Oh, okay, be honest. Honey, be honest, yeah? Because this is the one thing I've always wanted to ask you. It's just come to my mind now.
Yes.
Oh, that sauce. Honey, what's in the sauce quickly?
It's just a whole lot of butter. I think 2 tablespoons of garlic, minced garlic. It's just a Coles brand. and a little bit of this Portuguese chicken rub from Master Foods.
These fishes
It turned out pretty good.
Okay, this is my question to you. Last year, when we were like hard out vegan, I cooked for us this tofu curry. Was it tofu curry? Yeah. And Tuxx didn't finish his bowl, and he was like, "Oh, I'm full. Like, you did so awesome. That was so yum." But my husband eats a lot, so I was confused why the food wasn't finished. So I've always wanted to ask you.
Shoot.
Did you hate my tofu curry?
Nah.
Be honest, honey.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because.
Nah, honestly, it was the tofu. Like, I don't know, I don't like the taste of the tofu, but I ate everything else. And it was just the tofu that was left. Like, I had what, like one or two blocks? I don't know, it's just the texture.
I liked it. I ate it all.
She likes tofu, yeah.
I was
but
like,
it was nice. It was actually.
I wasn't offended because I was like, oh, like sometimes Tuxx makes me, actually I can't say that because everything he's made me is yum.
Oh yes. We quickly asked our TNS fam, asked you guys on Insta.
Yeah.
Insta to shoot us some questions for today for this mukbang, and our lovely sister is gonna shoot some of these questions for us. You just have some money. This actually turned out alright.
Honey, I can't stop eating this.
Okay guys,
Oh, yeah?
okay guys, we're about to shoot.
Oh.
Should
Okay.
we say the name or now? Because I might not be able to get go.
Because I can't read half of people's names.
Yeah, go. Okay,
Yeah.
next question. Do either of you have any regrets in life?
My regret would have to be, no, actually no, I don't regret anything. Actually, I regret not staying vegan this year. That's my regret for 2020.
This can go pretty deep. Eh?
Yeah. Honey, just keep
Yeah.
that so simple.
I don't really. Yeah, I try not to regret anything in life because I believe that everything's supposed to happen for a reason, and you're supposed to go through that season or whatever. But if I was to answer the question, I think it would be just not talking about salvation to my bro that went away, because you know, I didn't know if he believed or not, so I think that was probably a regret. Don't be scared, don't be afraid, just share your beliefs.
Yes.
So yeah, thank you.
Thank you for saying one for silly.
Okay, the next question. When will you have kids? Good question.
Good question.
Love these questions.
Wow. We have a saying, and we truly stand on faith with this saying. Every time we say it, we mean it. But we would have a baby in God's timing. Like,
Sorry.
a man has their own plans, but God's timing is always the right timing. And I know we say this a lot, but we say it because we actually mean it. Like, we truly mean this.
Yeah.
Like, we're not rushing. And yeah, we may be getting older. Like,
But we all, you know, everyone runs their own race.
yeah.
So, you know, just a little whamalosi to any of you out there.
Oh, get it, honey.
You know, it's like this, right? You start from a kid, and then say you're a rugby player, then they're like, oh, you're gonna be you're gonna be a best rugby player. Wait, what are we talking about?
Next question. Talking about women have kids.
But yeah, what I was trying to say is, you know, we all run our own race, so you know, you're not racing against anyone, and you'll come across certain paths in your own time. So life's not a rush. You know, if people ask, "Oh, you're gonna get married?" and then once you get married, "Oh, when are you gonna get a house?" And when you get a house, when are you gonna have a baby? You have a baby, when are you gonna have another one? You know what I mean? So try not to live up to everyone else's expectations, but just
run your own race.
Live your life the way you want to live it.
Like, but don't get us wrong. We actually really do want kids, but to be honest, I feel like having kids is like much, like this topic is much deeper than that. Like, Tuxx is ready, I'm ready, but I feel not ready, if that makes sense. Next question. Next question.
It's good. They want to know.
Like, I don't feel ready.
Like what? Physically?
Not
What is it?
physically. I just feel like I've always done me and I don't know anything else. Like, no, I'm being serious. Like, wait. Like, having a kid is full-time responsibility. And like, I just don't feel like, even though I stay at home all day, I get that. Like, I'm already reading you guys. I feel like you are gonna come for me in the comment section, but it's just me. I just feel like I'm just scared, a little bit scared. Do you know what I mean, honey?
It's theory.
But I know once God blesses us with a kid, and saying that, like, guys, we are trying. Oh my God. Like, don't get me wrong, because we are trying. Hey, honey.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Is that good? The scallop? No, that was good, honey.
How
That
many
was good.
siblings do you have?
You go first, honey, while I just show my scallop off. It's a big one.
I've got 4 siblings, 3 sisters, 1 brother. And that's it.
Don't waste the juice.
How about you? Oh man.
But before I answer, can you just check the lens if it's clean?
Got him! Just go some.
Oh yeah, is it nice?
Yeah, the prawns are really good. Okay, so I have, I'm the second eldest, and Chris, who is behind the camera, shout out to my sister.
Shout out.
She is the baby of our family. So there's 6 of us. I've got a sister who is older than me. Then it's me. Then my younger brother who got married in Samoa last year. Then it's my sister Julie who has the 2 kids. I mean, my kids. And then Julie. And then we have Jason, Black Cat, aka Black Cat. You guys know him because he's been on our vlogs a lot. And then we have Chris, my baby sister, who we call aka Baby.
Okay. Where do you want to travel to next besides me and Samoa?
That's a good question.
America, Samoa.
Besides Samoa,
Besides Samoa.
I want to go to Mexico.
Mexico. I'd love to go to America.
Actually, scratch Mexico. I would actually love to go to Cook Island so I could see Achu, where my husband is from. And go and see Toddy's nana. Go, baby.
If you had the attention of the entire world for 1 minute, how would you use that minute?
I would use that minute to talk about Jesus Christ. We're lives, hands down.
How did you get into vlogging?
How did we get into vlogging? Tuxx and I, no lies, we started back in like 2013. 2013? Or 15? or 14.
I think maybe 14.
We started back in 2014, but we didn't post or like edit any of our vlogs. We just like went out places to like anywhere, just everywhere and anywhere. We literally would vlog our life.
No.
And then it would just be for our memory. And then when we came...
Wow,
It's
sorry.
so Baby, can you give me that paper towel?
This is yuck.
It's like the thing
I
in
was
my
trying to eat it
eye.
and then flicked it into it. No lies, man. This is yuck, eh?
He's such a liar. It's so young.
Is it?
Oh, it tastes funny.
Why? Let me try it. Honey, you're not meant to eat this, yeah?
Oh, that's what I was eating.
Inside.
He's eating this yuck thingy. You're meant to open it.
Oh, alright.
And inside there,
Do you
you need
even
to
eat
eat
crab?
it.
Sorry? Do you even
Not like this.
What the hell?
Take
What was I saying? Oh, so in 2014, we were vlogging all of our life and we kept vlogging all the way throughout the years. And then when we came back from SAR, we finally decided that Tuxx just made this cool as video and we were like, you know what? We're gonna go for it. Like,
Yeah.
let's just go for it. But we started off our channel like we were just doing it for ourselves, and then we started to grow our TNS family, and we noticed that you guys really enjoy our videos. So we were like, you know what, if this gives enjoyment to someone else out there, then cool, we'll do it for you as well. So we do it for ourselves and for you. Oh, that's how we got into vlogging. Oh, that is so good, honey.
Next question. Since COVID-19 has arrived, has your all 2020 goals or plans changed? I love you all.
Yes, it has. And we love you too. What? Fitness wise and health wise, it's changed bad time.
Yep. We had to get a lot more creative. Push-ups, sit-ups, different kind of sit-ups, different kind of push-ups. Using some
Water.
10-litre waters that Sera's got as like weights, and just trying to do something with it. But it's pretty fun.
Yeah, watching you do it. I don't know, I'm so different. I love working out in a group and like just the environment that we have at Woolsden. I just love it.
Shout out to Mukbang.
Shout out to Woolsden. Make sure you come down once all of this is over. Come down to Come down to Woolsden Wellness Centre and check it out. They're awesome fitness centre.
Someone said, are you doing any more $50 questions?
Oh, wow. Who's that from?
Peter.
Peter Lawson?
Yeah.
Oh. Peter Lawson, no.
One of the participants from last night.
Yeah. Last night we played a game on Instagram where we were giving away $50 to the winner, whoever gets 5 questions correct. Shout out to Pops88 who won.
Shout out.
We'll see how my husband's feeling, how my sponsor's feeling.
Someone said, don't say my app when saying this. Say RL. What got you guys to start YouTube? You guys already answered that, eh? Yeah, so shout out to RL.
Shout out to RL.
Did you guys move into a new house?
Yes, we did, fam. We did almost a month and a half ago. Yeah.
Can we just acknowledge how
Yeah. We need to like bolt it
we
down.
need to bolt our table down? We just left it. Yes, we moved in a month and a half ago. Were you gonna eat that?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'll eat it. Look at all that juice. Are you sure you don't want it?
Maybe.
We moved in a month and a half ago, but we've been so busy.
With everything,
with
We
everything
had
else.
birthdays.
Birthday, weddings, a lot of we had a lot of birthdays and a wedding, and we finally just found, oh, and then we had stage 1 and stage 2 and now stage 3 lockdown. So we will be doing a house tour soon. Stay tuned.
It's
If
nice.
you come to New Zealand, would you do a meet and greet? That's the question.
To be honest, we're not even that big.
Straight
When
up.
they get security and stuff.
Straight up. So like you can just meet and greet us.
You can just meet us and we can hang out. There's no need to like greet.
Straight.
Let's just meet and hang out. Like we're literally no ones.
Hello.
Would you rather kill? Oh, nasty. Yeah. Yeah. It was like Lolo ass or something.
The burpee then.
I can't deal. I haven't
I went to go try and suck the head.
You wouldn't peel me one.
Honey, suck this head.
You wouldn't peel
Do
me
you
one.
suck the head? Same.
You wouldn't peel me one.
I won't peel you one. Peel your
Wow.
By
own.
your hands already.
No, use your own hands. I hate you and Julie when
Are
you
we
do
going
this.
through this again?
You need to peel your own.
Some hobbies.
Hobbies. One of our newfound hobbies is functional training that we do down at Wolves there. But other than that, for me it's like playing a game. Don't really do much these days, man. Yourself, honey?
What's a hobby?
Like something you like to do, like surfing. playing
You like to
video
watch
games,
movies.
I don't really.
Sleeping.
You do.
Why are you attacking me? What's your pet peeve?
Pet peeve. That's the thing that like
You don't
I
like.
can't stand.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Do you have a lot?
I have a few actually, but the one that I can't stand the most is
I was talking to Toddy.
oh,
She looked directly in my eyes.
I know.
There's people eating with their mouth open, but like,
Is it?
yeah, like
One of-
loud. One of my
Oh
top
my gosh.
top 2. I'll make it sound like I got like heaps. Top 2.
do you only have 2?
I don't know.
He doesn't
Who
know.
knows?
Depends, eh?
Only he knows.
Nah,
Nah,
that's gonna be one of my.
My one is I cannot stand BO. It gives me a headache.
But like,
Strong BO.
Yeah.
Even just the minorest BO, I will be like, wow. Headache. What's yours, Chris?
I have a lot.
get ready.
That's why I said 1. That's one
people
of.
like Sera. What's another question?
Chris, who do you think is the smartest out of me and Tuxx?
Toddy. Hands down.
too.
She always asks, honey, how do you spell this?
You know what she's been doing lately? She'll be like, honey, how do you spell this? And I'm like, about to tell you, she's like, oh no, don't worry. I'm like, man, you go, girl. Terrible at maths. Terrible.
Sera's only good at maths because she prayed.
She's good.
And she had to do the money.
So she's a late bloomer?
She
No.
was 3 IC and she had to control the money thing.
No, and then I became 1 IC and I was boss.
Shout out to Spray.
Shout out to Pray.
Shout out to Supray. Oh, that was good. I'm done, man. I ate a lot. Look at my rubbish.
I think I drank a lot, eh?
Tux's rubbish.
Is it water?
Mainly
This isn't
prawns,
even
eh?
finished yet. Mainly prawns I've eaten. My
Is
gosh,
it
I've got
water?
same my hair's a bit oily and dirty
it's
from my
fine.
hands. But I didn't eat any of the mussels because I think they're still alive.
Eat one.
No, I can't. But TNS family, thank you so much for tuning into this mukbang. Before we go, Tuxx and I will just down a lemon. Let's go, honey. 1, 2,
No
3.
facials.
You have to eat it and then say like, comment, share, subscribe, and we're leaving. Okay, ready, TNS family? Go. Don't forget to
Like, comment, share, and
subscribe.
No facials.
Bye. Oh.